Hi guys, welcome back with new video. I am Salinder. This is my SL DevCode YouTube channel. Nowadays you can see coronavirus is unfortunately spreading through the entire world. As everyone has probably heard, there's a massive pandemic called COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, that is correctly affecting pretty much the entire world. So I will be creating a website that display the real-time coronavirus statistics. So let's go to the video. So this I gonna be using HTML, CSS and JavaScript because I will be creating a website and it's gonna be a static website, although we will use an API. So this is the API. Those links I will be put in my description. This is API. So I will select Sri Lanka. Yes, I am going to get this details, so you can change it, your URL given by ID. Yes, now you can see Sri Lanka updates, COVID-19 updates. If you want select any country, so you have to change only your URL, give the ID. United Kingdom, all the details, all the updated details are here. ID 202 I am going to use. So minimize this browser and now I am going to open subline text. You have to create first of all you have to use this image also. Now you have to select your workspace, which I create previously, including the image subline text workspace. Yes, and COVID-19 tracker, and open. Yes, now I go over the JavaScript, but first let's start with the index.html. Yes, you have to select HTML. And save. Yes, after that I will create another file. It will be give style.css. Give this name and save. Yes, now I am going to create another new file. I'll be give it name also app.js and save. Yes, now I'll create index.html, style.css and app.js files, and now you have to code the index.html. Now I'll give a title COVID-19 tracker. This is the title. This is a shortcut item which display in the browser. Now I will add the Google font. Go to the Google font and I will be using, you can select anyone if you want. I will select first one. And give a link here in which you select font. This is I select. Now you have to add style.css file into HTML. You have to link your style CSS file. Now you have to add app.js file, so JavaScript file. Now I'll be build my body. H1, so head 1, heading 1. I'll give title SL DevCode COVID-19 tracker application, COVID-19 tracker. Close the bracket. This is a subtitle, the latest statistics regarding the COVID-19. So I'll open div class. Now I am going to insert cases, deaths, recovery. Those details I have to add, so I will add those headers also, including IDs. Now I'll add recovery. No, 100 percentage of deaths. I'll be copy and paste. And change the div class location container is a country. Country, population, and last update. Registry container. Div class, data container, yes. Now first part is okay. Now I will be give a footer for my website. Created by SL DevCode. Yes, I'll be run this code and see that this is the output. Now I have to add CSS files. Now I have to complete CSS part and design it. If you want it can change. Margin, padding 0. This is a font size H1 and H2 headers. This is a font style. I'll use Roboto. You have to text align to center. This is a font size. I'll give 250%. This is the color code. In background, linear gradient. This is subtitle CSS part. And you have to give font size in subtitles. So this is a stats container. So this is stats container which I used in index.html. It's a new class. This you can copy and paste it in here. You have to align your it to center. Now I'll get location container CSS part. I will copy it here. Sorry, it's wrong. Data container. Now I'll copy it in here. Now I'll copy this font style and paste it. I will be add footer. So copy this font style in here also. this is the style CSS part. So we will see, run and see the output. So it's fine. Created by SL DevCode is too large. Footer is too large. You have to change it. I think I did some mistakes. Yes, this mistake is one semicolon. It's a colon, and now I'll be sure. No, it's not changed. Where is my error? Yes, there is no semicolon. I'll be save and run again. Yes, now it's fine. Yes, my CSS part is okay. Now I have to create app.js file. Now you have to copy your API link. It's a copy and paste it in here. Open subline and paste it here. Yes. So this is a catch function, exception. It's give error like this. Yes. Now I'll be save it. We will run again. You have to inspect and you have select console and give your get stats, which I created my your method. Yes, all the details are coming. Now your website connect with the API. This API. Yes. I'll give population update, cases, death, parent, all the details I have to get. This is the code in this part. This update every 12 hours. You have to give country name also in Sri Lanka, so I will use Sri Lanka API. That's why you have to give name, country name. This is style.css complete code. First I showed you index.html file, that is a style.css file. So this is a app.js file. Okay. Now I'll run my code and see the output. It's some error. It's give some errors. We'll see. It's not updated. It's not coming data into my website. We'll see. Yes. This is, you have to give the correct method. Get stats. What's going on? Yes, now it's working. Now you can see this output. This is my website which I created. So this is my SL DevCode COVID-19 JavaScript tracker application. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can make a comment and ask. And also, if you like my videos, click the like button and share my videos. Finally, I like to say, don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.